Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see in the right hand side this is search button, just click on it, and after that enter your model number Z690 AXV3, then hit enter. Then click of name of title. After that normally open new tab and then click to support. So select any operating system because installations process same. You can see this video and install a driver any operating system. Okay, VGA driver. This is VGA driver and this is size. You just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see this is download box. Then it is downloaded. Just open it and double click to exe. And then click on yes. Now this is extracting. After that, now this is graphic card installing. It will take some time and it will close automatically, means this is installed. So this is close automatic, means this is installed.